Yeah, it's the boy Night in the building, baby. Tell him, you already know. Today, beautiful day today in Florida, and I'm here to check out. They just built these not too long ago. They're not even operating right now, not as yet. I'll say probably in the next month or so. But I'm here in the Walmart Plaza, as you can see, and I was just looking at the Electrify America machine that charges like cars like Tesla, Chevy Volt, a bunch of electrical cars. They have a lot more. I know they have a lot more. I just can't recall the names right now. But have you guys ever tried these before? I never really owned or know nobody who basically have a electric cars that charge them. But I think this is so awesome though. But would you guys ever consider of owning an electric car, or you'll stay with your old-fashioned engine and transmission? Because I know the Tesla, I know Tesla is made in America, but they don't have no engine or transmission. It's just like a battery. The car just run by electricity. So would you guys consider it? And it's real cool, like, because it's a lot of them they have over here. So, you know, a lot of technology. Let me try to drive around and show you guys. Technology is basically advancing, because, you know, the bunch of electric cars that you don't have to pay no more on fuel. It's a lot of them here in this Walmart Plaza. So you save, I guess you save a lot, because I know you don't really even though they have it built in at your home, because you know they're gonna have to come to your house and do a set up the plug, basically the charger at your house when you get one of those vehicles, so you could charge it. But they say it don't even pull that much electricity on your light bill, on your electrical bill. So, and as you can see right here, let me turn down my window. I gotta make my camera. See, it's not really on yet. They haven't set it up yet. But it seems like you could like swipe your card and put in, I don't know how much time, if it go by time you want it to charge. But it's real cool, guys. But thank you guys for watching this quick little clip. I didn't really get to play with it because it's not really operating right now. I know you guys seen a lot of them around the place, and you're gonna see them more and more, because it's getting more and more. Electrical cars is basically getting more and more popular. So, but thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day, an awesome Saturday. Have fun with your friends and your family, and do what you got to do to get through this day. Thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.